ngara yabgi sunsumi tekale ka cheshu ji densun juni badil shabgi suniyul kesa hema jotube sen dari jomitu mena dari jotube sen shuma jomitu che jera maso gyakab ki labe udalu lamchishego gachi benna nam benna gadebet benna anisu rangi bera leshimbe yopchidibe damkhachapta. So he used to always tell me, and I believe this is by far one of the most profound advice that I've ever received. He said, Gyasa, why do you think human beings have come this far? Why have humans been so competent, so resilient? He said, it's because human beings know how to evolve and adapt. And he said, take this lesson from Mother Nature. If our country is to remain strong and dynamic, well protected, if our collective vision is to build an even more prosperous Bhutan, we must learn how to constantly evolve, adapt, reinvent ourselves. Be agile. Anidi ngaragi jewdaben shabgi totosunche pana ngalu sure susuchubi dekale ta chesho ji ani jewmel.